Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Once more, this is Grace. I'm here under the gentle light of the sun, and this is my one way of making myself protected from all diseases, including coronavirus disease 2019. I will be sharing with you the benefits of sunlight and the natural vitamin D absorbed by our skin when we are exposed to sunlight, and many other benefits. So just keep on watching, and even though you won't believe me at first, I know you would be convinced later.
Let the sun shine in, a metaphorical statement but with literal implications. Of course, sunshine spells joy and warmth. It can surely improve your mood. Just step outside if you are in bad mood, then presto, you will feel warmth and lightheartedness. The literal or actual meaning of this statement is that you have to be under the sunlight or let it into your house or environment, because it increases levels of serotonin, which help promote feelings of happiness. The implications of that opening statement entail not only cheer and joy, but also goodness, because sunshine promotes health and overall well-being or welfare. This is actually a follow-up of my previous post about vitamin D and exposure to sunlight in a pollution-free atmosphere, in which nothing blocks the absorption of the skin of sun rays. Sunshine produces natural vitamin D, and this nutrient, known as the sunshine vitamin, is a crucial ingredient for overall body health. Don't you know that exposing yourself to sunlight or staying under the sun can also protect you from viruses, even from the deadly coronavirus of 2019? These coronaviruses are so fragile that they could not endure high temperatures. Since they are not totally airborne, they can stick to garments. It has been advised for people to stay under the sun for at least 2 hours after having been with a crowd in order for viruses to be rid of. There is a person who suggested the use of hair blower for the nostrils and sinuses, but I suggest breathing in warm air if you are under the sun is easier, simpler, and better. It is as effective as vaporizing using warm steam for the sinuses for asthma attacks. The ions in sunshine can trigger the T cells, lymphocyte immune cells that mature in the thymus, hence the name, to activate immune cells to fight infection. Based on the 2010 study printed in American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, vitamin D reduces likelihood or certainty of developing influenza or flu and other infections. The benefits of natural vitamin D, especially to prevent heart disease, outweigh the risk of skin cancer, according to medical experts. Only the prolonged exposure to ultraviolet radiation should be avoided. Staying under the sun for at least 10 to 15 minutes every morning when sunlight is gentle or mild is enough for one to have the needed vitamin D that can be produced by the body. Vitamin D is manufactured in the body when sunshine hits the skin. As light strikes you, your body forms nitric oxide, a compound that is stored at the top layer of the skin. This reacts to sunlight and causes blood vessels to widen or expand, and the oxide moves into the bloodstream. This widening of the blood vessels lowers blood pressure and improves heart condition. The sunshine vitamin also protects against inflammation, aids muscles to function well, improves brain functions aside from lowering blood pressure and maintaining a healthy heart. Low levels of vitamin D can cause heart disease, prostate cancer, and dementia. According to Larkin Community Hospital in Florida, USA, vitamin D plays a great role in the production of insulin. There have been many studies in that community hospital of supplementing vitamin D to subjects at risk of diabetes. The supplementation of vitamin D has been proven effective because these subjects have shown significant improvement in fasting glucose levels, insulin production, insulin resistance, and A1C control, a marker of long-term glucose levels. Sunshine, furthermore, stimulates your immune system, vitamin D, and T cells, which results in boosted immunity. And temperate zones in which there is the so-called spring sunshine, men are advised to strip off under the spring sun, for there has been a study that proves that sunshine decreases the risk of developing kidney cancer. Dr. Joseph Michael Mercola, an American alternative medicine proponent, explains from a scientific point of view, vitamin D reduces the risk of many forms of cancer and increases survival rates once cancer reaches a detectable stage. Research also suggests that morning sunlight exposure is linked to better sleep and health. Exposure to sunlight will also help you control your appetite. According to Livestrong.com, lack of sunshine can contribute to depression, which can affect your appetite. The scientific explanation for this is that hunger is controlled by a part of your brain called hypothalamus. It works with serotonin and helps relieve hunger. Lack of sunshine causes a drop of serotonin levels that results to constant feeling of hunger or feeling of fullness not obtained. Therefore, you need sunshine in order for you to manage your appetite. Sunlight is also a big help to your eyes, contrary to the belief that it is an enemy to the eyes. Vitamin D has been linked to improved vision because it has a curative effect upon the eyes. Research has shown that Alzheimer's patients exposed to bright light met fewer symptoms of depression, agitation, and night wakefulness. The vitamin D which the body produces as sunlight strikes our skin helps in absorbing calcium. Therefore, it makes our bones and teeth strong. Dr. Mercola explains that sunlight may actually cure skin diseases by attracting immune cells to the skin surface. UV radiation exposure has been proven to treat eczema, acne, and psoriasis. Exposure to sunlight can also cure depression. It has been linked to an increased levels of natural antidepressant in the brain. The brain produces more serotonin on sunny days than darker days. Sunlight directly affects the brain's pineal gland, the gland which produces melatonin, a powerful antioxidant responsible for quality sleep and helps prevent depression. Seasonal affective disorder, SAD, is deemed to be linked to lack of exposure to sunlight. It is a form of depression brought about by the changing seasons. According to Healthline, without enough sunshine exposure, a person's serotonin levels can dip low, resulting to a higher risk of seasonal affective disorder. So if you want that your life will not be dark and dismal, you've got to let the sunshine in or be with sunshine. Not just to lift up your mood, but also to boost your immune system and overall health condition.